We're going to configure the Tello drone using a microbit to the TI-84 Plus CE Python calculator. You'll need to download the module and the TI runtime from the TI website. When you do, open the folder, connect the microbit to your computer, and transfer the runtime to your microbit. This is a one-time operation. If it's successful, you'll see the Texas logo on your microbit. We will need to activate the Tello. Download the Tello app to your phone, then switch to Settings and scan for the Tello SSID. Next, switch to the app and choose Connect, and you'll then be prompted to activate the drone. This is a one-time deal. You might take it for a little fly while you're here. Next, open up TI Connect CE and transfer the module to your calculator. It's called Tello.8xv, and it'll transfer automatically to the archive memory. Let's get all of the pieces, the 84CE, the microbit cable, the bitmaker board, the Grove WiFi module, the Grove cable, external battery, the power cord, and the Tello and a Tello battery. Let's assemble the system. Insert the microbit into the bitmaker expansion. Insert the Grove cable into the Grove Wi-Fi module and plug it into port 1 of the expansion board. Take the power cable, put it in the micro USB, turn on the power switch and off the speaker switch. Plug the power cable into the external battery. Then take your microbit cable and plug it into the microbit card and the calculator. Carefully insert the Tello battery the correct way into the Tello drone. Turn it on. Let's press the Program key and go to the Python app. Choose New and enter Test Flight. Choose Functions and go to Module and Add On and choose Tello Import. This is all you need to get configured. To prepare for configuration, turn the Tello drone on and wait for it to completely boot, indicated by a fast blinking yellow light. That's it. Next, check that there's power to the Wi-Fi module and that the Texas icon is on the microbit and the power is turned on the bitmaker expansion board. With only the import statement in your program, press Run. You'll be prompted to select the hardware you are using. This is the bitmaker board with the Grove Wi-Fi plugged in port 1. You might be using the Grove expansion board with the Wi-Fi plugged in port 1. Make your selection and the system will search for available Tello SSIDs. Once one has been discovered, it will be stored and you should configure your microbit to remember this. Use a helpful ID character to pair the drone and the microbit. Once your Tello and microbit are successfully paired, be sure to unplug and replug the cable and restart the drone. You're ready to fly. Let's go back to the editor and let's go to Functions and Module the Tello drone. Here you'll find all of the commands like take off. Choose that and paste it into the editor. And let's just land it. So again, I'll go back to the Tello drone and choose land. That's all I need to take off and land. Wow, let's give it a try. There's the Texas ID. We're ready to go. Let's turn on the Tello drone, make sure that the light is blinking yellow. is. And let's run the program. Notice that it indicates that number 2 was found, and a check mark indicates it connected. And the Tello took off. Watch out, here she comes. Here are some helpful hints. Programming the microbit with a different editor will delete the TI runtime on the card. You'll need to reinstall it if you do. Keep your calculator's OS, TI runtime.hex, and Tello module updated. Visit education.ti.com for updates. When plugging the Grove Wi-Fi module into a different port or different expansion board, ensure the TX and RX pins match the port markings. Once the drone is paired with a particular microbit, it only communicates with that drone. The intended use of the microbit configuration ID is to help manage a set of drones. It's recommended that you mark the ID on the drone. If the calculator does not communicate with the drone, unplug, replug the microbit from the calculator, press the reset button on the microbit, and power cycle the drone. The Tello drone requires a well-lighted area and a floor that's not white and uniform. Flying the drone over a solid white floor in low light may cause erratic behavior. Well, that's it for the one-time configuration of the Tello drone with the TI-84 Plus CE Python calculator. Now that you know how to get your Tello off the ground, keep them flying and have fun.